In the whirlwind of modern life, our minds are constantly buzzing with thoughts, worries, and distractions. It can feel like we are being swept away by a current of endless activity. Meditation offers a sanctuary, a tranquil space where we can reconnect with our inner stillness. Imagine a calm lake, undisturbed by the wind. This is the state of mind that meditation cultivates. It is a practice of gently calming the waves of thought, allowing for a sense of peace and clarity to emerge. Meditation is not about emptying the mind completely, as some might believe. Instead, it is about becoming a compassionate observer of our thoughts and feelings without judgment or attachment. As we learn to simply be present with ourselves, we begin to tap into a deep well of inner peace and wisdom that is always available to us, even amidst life's challenges. At its core, meditation is a practice of training the mind. Just as we might exercise our bodies to become stronger and more flexible, meditation strengthens our minds, enhancing our focus, clarity, and emotional resilience. The purpose of meditation is not to achieve a state of bliss or enlightenment, although these can be beautiful byproducts of regular practice. Rather, meditation is about developing a deeper understanding of ourselves and the nature of our minds. It is about cultivating qualities of awareness, kindness, and compassion both towards ourselves and others. Through regular practice, we learn to observe our thoughts and emotions without getting carried away by them. We begin to see that our thoughts are not facts, but simply fleeting mental events. This newfound awareness allows us to respond to life's challenges with greater skill and ease. We become less reactive and more able to choose our responses based on wisdom and compassion. There are countless forms of meditation, each with its unique approach and benefits. Some involve focusing on the breath, while others use guided visualizations or mantras. Some practices encourage movement, while others emphasize stillness. Mindfulness meditation, for instance, involves paying gentle attention to the present moment, noticing sensations, thoughts, and emotions without judgment. Loving kindness meditation cultivates feelings of compassion and goodwill towards oneself and others. Walking meditation involves bringing mindful awareness to the physical sensations of walking, noticing each step and the connection to the earth. The key is to find a practice that resonates with you and fits your lifestyle. Experiment with different techniques and see what feels most natural and enjoyable. The most important thing is to approach the practice with an open mind and a willingness to be present with whatever arises. Section 4. Reaping the rewards of practice. The benefits of meditation are numerous, impacting both our mental and physical well-being. Studies show regular meditation reduces stress, anxiety, and improves sleep quality. It enhances focus, lowers blood pressure, and boosts cardiovascular health. Meditation fosters emotional regulation, self-awareness, and inner peace. It cultivates compassion, empathy, and deeper connections with others. Ultimately, meditation aligns us with our values and aspirations. Section 5. Embracing the journey inward. Meditation is accessible to anyone, regardless of age or experience. You don't need special equipment to begin. Just set aside a few moments each day to connect with your inner self. Find a quiet space and sit comfortably. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Acknowledge thoughts without judgment and return to your breath. Try guided meditations available online or through apps. These can provide helpful support, especially when starting. Remember, meditation is a practice, not a destination. Some days your mind will be calm, other days restless. Be kind to yourself and begin again. Embrace the journey with patience and curiosity.